So welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a dorm tour. Last time I saw you guys on a dorm related video, I was detailing how this really wasn't the best experience and it was chaos really. But this time we're going to put it on a more positive note. Although this isn't the dorm I originally wanted, I mean it is my dorm room. I'm going to be here until I can get it changed. Hopefully that happens. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I took the bad and turned it into something good and tried my best to make it comfortable and feel like home, because this is basically home for the next 9 months. So let's get into it. So before directly jumping into the dorm tour, I did want to show a few little seconds of us rearranging the dorm room because the furniture was not like this when we got in here. I had to move it to my liking, and yeah. So in the next clip, you're going to see the dorm completed to my liking. So this is the view that you see when you first walk through the door and come into this dorm room. You can see my bed, my sun hanging on the wall, part of my dresser, and you can also see some of the window view over there that extends over there. This bed is raised high. It is kind of difficult to get in sometimes because I never assembled my stool, so I'm struggling sometimes, but it's okay. And because it's raised high, that allows for more storage space, and I will move the camera over here and show you guys how I utilize storage space. And if you guys remember, I also talked about how I used shower curtains for bed skirts, and that's to cover up all the extra storage, because to me, I mean, there's nothing wrong with having storage under your bed. We all do here. I don't like the look of just seeing it, you know. I still want the feel, the vibe, the aesthetic, whatever you want to call it, to still be complete and match the color scheme and all that stuff. So I don't want to see all the storage, and that's what I did. I got a shower curtain to cover all that. I have this file cabinet, and at the bottom this one locks, and I got that so I can put like my purse, some important papers that I want and I just don't want messed with or something like that. That's kind of why I got the file cabinet, as a way of storage and a safe, if you will. And I just keep all the rest of my stuff down here. You can see I have my water cases back here. And to be honest, a lot of students think they need a lot. They really don't. Pretty much everything I have fits in this tub, and that's really all there is to it. So the next part of the room, you get to this corner, and I rearranged all this furniture. Originally, this dresser was on this wall where the bed is, and so is the desk over here that you guys will see in a minute. But I didn't like the feng shui of that because this desk was right here in the corner, and I couldn't really see out the window. You know, I'd have to sleep next to the window, and I didn't want to do all that. I'd rather sit at the desk and look out the window because that's just how I focus better. But yeah, so after rearranging the room, putting the bed over here, I moved the dresser to this corner of the room because it was such an awkward corner and I felt like it needed space. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dressers, and I put this fan on here because my AC is a little not great, but and I'll show you guys how I fit all of my wardrobe here, with the exception of the hanging clothes in the closet. I used the Marie Kondo method to fold all the clothes and make them fit, as you can see down here. And I'll show you guys this one drawer of my t-shirts. I can fit all my t-shirts in here, which means I can save more space in the closet for some of my heavier clothing, my sweaters, jackets, stuff like that. So rotating on over to the desk space, the first thing is my chair that used to be this ugly blue color right here, but in order for it to match my decor, I went and bought another throw blanket and threw it over here so it could maintain that same aesthetic. My desk space, I mean, it's pretty good. It's got a decent size, really good size actually. You get 4 drawers, one main drawer right here that locks, so if you ever need anything else to lock up, this drawer locks. These 2 drawers are the same size. I just keep some of the goodies that we get for freshman week right here, all the freebies. And you also get this big drawer right here, and I just keep my extra bags in here. And then right next to the desk I keep my refrigerator. It's also got a freezer portion. This is a 3x2 refrigerator, mini fridge. So if you're trying to figure out what size mini fridge that you need, this is a 3x2 and it fits real snug in here. There's still space around it, you know, it's not scraping off the paint off the wall, but it's a good size. It's not overbearing to the dorm room at all. And then that brings us to the other, the next wall in this dorm, which is the sink area. It comes with this mirror as well as, which is also a medicine cabinet, so you can keep some of your goodies right here. And you also get some extra cabinet space down here. There's a lot of depth back here. It's not as wide, but it does go back far, so you can stick some pretty good things back here. Speaking of more storage, I also have this ottoman that I reupholstered myself. Inside of here, I just keep my extra hand towels, washcloths, and body towels. And if somebody were to come over into my dorm room, I can just say, have a seat right here. Most of the clothes that are hanging up are sweaters, jackets, all that winter stuff, because I brought, and I have my hamper that I have from IKEA. And then I keep some toilet tissue here at the top. And on the other side of the closet, you can see some of my raincoats and other jackets that I have, as well as my pants. Then there's the shoe rack that I use to organize all my shoes, which is really helpful. So here's the community living space. I don't use this part much, but it's here. You got a table and a closet for I don't know what, but you can use it, sit in here, chat, but. And before I wanted to conclude this video, I also wanted to include some clips of the common area that I share with my roommates, as well as the bathroom. It's got a shower, a toilet, and a sink. And I also wanted to show the laundry room that's in the building too. And I think that's the end of this dorm tour. That is everything in my room. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what your dorm is doing, how you decorated it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.